Guys, Thomas here, TP Parts, Rc-Xtreme, down at the gravel pit, other side, and check this weather out. I mean, it's sunny, and I can barely remember when the sun was out last time, so the snow has melted a lot, as you can see. Sorry for the wind. It's approximately 5 degrees Celsius plus, and I have my latest creation here. My so-called winter project was finished yesterday. Just a quick blip at home, see that everything works. So what I basically did was I took a brand new Maiden Kraton ELWB, the 1/8 scale monster truggy, and was torn between, you know, a EXB outcast or extended long wheelbase one, you know, more leaning towards 1/7 scale, like the Mojave, for example. I know people are making stuff, I think they call it Krajave, I don't know. This is not such a thing. What I did was, of course, I ordered a Mojave chassis plate, a EXB version. We can lift the lid, or we can check this out here. This is the bottom. I was thinking about using the Mojave side guards, but no. So Mojave chassis plate. The rear and front center braces, the chassis braces, the top brace, and the center shaft. That's it. That's the only stuff from that version of car. This is not a Mojave that I went out and tried to build a, you know, a Krajave or a monster truckish. So I call it Maiden Kraton ELWB, the extended long wheelbase, which it is. There's nothing super fancy. I needed to do some small trimming, and we're gonna get to that later. The Savöx 1256 TG, well proven, I've been using it for ages. Futaba controller, or the receiver of course, but I'm using Futaba. Had a Max6 ESC at home, left over. Thunder Rose 18K fan. Will chill this ESC. And then we have the motor, which I'm not gonna lie, might get a few comments for that, but this is my opinion and how I use stuff and run it. It's too heavy. I mean, it's almost a 600 gram motor in a 1/8 scale car. I know people running this is the regular EXB and the Mojave EXB. That's fine. All up to each own. I didn't have a regular 4074 or a 4274 2K motor at home, so I got this version, the 4985 1650. Gear 22. I was aiming for 24, but I didn't have that opinion. So but what I did, I tested it at home. It's just gonna test the car here. I already ordered a new Leopard V2 4274 2K motor, which will be perfect in this car. I mean, I ran the old classic VLX 200 system from the Nero in my Maiden Kraton XL, which are 20 millimeters longer than this one, and it was frantic. So it's gonna be fun to see how it acts. And well proven Thunder Tiger MT4 G3 wheelie bar, and thanks to Niklas Fornell RC for that one. And also this build is a sort of a tribute to the Arrma brand. Now I'm using multiple brands, but I think this would be, I know they won't do a car like this, but, and the body, I mean, you can use infraction bodies, whatever, and I wanted to look as, how would say, factory look as possible. So I had two new EXB bodies. It really hurt to cut them up, but I extended the rear bead, otherwise the cab had been too long. And I actually got a few comments that people actually don't see. They think the stock one works even if the chassis is stretched, and I can say that it does not. So here it is, and gonna test it. Thanks. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Yeah, I sure need that wheelie bar. You can do some small jumps. Oh, slippery when wet. ice baby. It feels good, but I think it's hard to say. Oh. I think we have a cutoff. Oh. Yep. We're gonna that feels good actually, or actually it feels well, first test feels great, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not sure if the packs can handle the amp or the motor. I felt a little glitch in the beginning, but then it was gone. I'm not sure if it was just a glitch or something with the connectors, but it's definitely cut off now. So I'm gonna take out the next beast and we shall see what we can do. Bye.